Primary school teachers for Taraba don't start another protest, my people. If like say this salary matter, we go soon carry and go enter another level because another set of people. This one not be the one where I tell you now before. If like say all these governors they carry this thing for their blood. Now so they go start the protest over no payment of salary again. And this one, in fact, this one even worse. This one, I don't even know how I go even take describe them because after these people go outside and say they protest, my people now, so these politicians consent thugs. They send the thugs, oh, they tell them say may they deal with anybody where they catch all these protesters. He say may they deal with them. And some teachers, as they taught you now, they don't injure. So I bring and come aside so that I go hear with una own ear. Because peaceful protest now, you don't turn to blood. They cut person ear, they slap person, they use cutlass, they use... In fact, nothing where I don't even hear for this matter. So I don't bring and come aside. For now, when I know what they happen, for Taraba, I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
One of them came to me, he slapped me. I did not talk, I kept quiet. He said, you will not run. I said, we'll run to where? He said, the other one said they should use the machete on me. I refused to run. So the other one used cutlass and hit me. The other one kicked me with his leg. Then the other one used knife, cut my ear.
The rescue mission captain, he was saying, claiming that they are paid. He's not owing us. So where is the problem? We say, let's just pray. We now contact the state chairman of the NUT. We discussed with him. We brought the letter. He received the letter. If anybody is with the copy of the letter where he signed, they have received. We came. If they are not with us, then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to court to stop the deduction of our salary. I think it is not by force constitutionally that we must belong to NUT. Yes. We can stay on our own to be driving our salary. So they cannot be feeding fat on our salary.
Has been a labor-friendly governor. He has been paying their salary till date. I don't think any civil servant in Taraba State will claim that he has not been paying his salary, even including the teachers. It's unfortunate that when he came on board, there were outstanding salaries of the teachers, of which the governor has been settling till date.
Nigeria, how far? I mean, like this we go the day. How long we go come the? Hey, Chineke me. See, no, just look at on top your own right. They see they beat you, like they see they deal with you on top your own right. How long we won't continue this matter? How long we won't continue? God, which kind of heartless leaders we get like this for this life? You come outside to protest on top something where you work for. I beg, see, these people, the money where they demand for, they not be free money. Not be free money, they worked for it. Person work for something now, you go see they protect. No, you not feel imagine the stress. And you know how they be to teach. Teaching not be something where you go just go, not be like sitting there, where you go sit down for office, you go just press computer, 5 o'clock, you don't go house. You go they shout, you go they, because some students say even stubborn, so you they imagine after going through all that stress, they not come pay you salary. As if say no do, after they no pay you salary, una can't decide say okay, as they no pay us, may we go as a group. Even as you go as group, the same people now may can't deal with una. Very wicked politicians I never see. I be waiting all these governors, I be government. Waiting una they do with all the allocations. Waiting una they use and do. Ha! My people see. Many things they happen, no. And it takes a heartless human being to see people like this protesting, people suffering, and they not go do anything about that. Instead, even the same people, may they go kill, may they go beat them, may they go. Before, I been the thing say by now, as this matter even come aside, I been the thing say by now, police people don't go do something. We know them. Nobody go even bother to come outside. Why? Because they receive tips from all these people. If they try come out, say they support them. My people now wahala be that because them themselves they no go see food chop again. Food not go enter their stomach because now through all these nonsense wicked things where they do themselves. Now from there they chop. if na to dash cars now, una go sabi go out say una dey do donation, una dey do this one. If na to show una self so that people go think say una be good people, una go quickly go outside start dey do good things. The thunder wey go soon land on top each governor. I no dey swear for anybody, na fact. The thunder wey go soon land. In fact, una never see fire before. All of una go start dey confess by una self. Which kind nonsense be this? These na people wey get family, people wey get children. No, if the children now go school where they no pay school fees, now una go still come outside come dey talk many things. Now pay their parents so that they can pay school fees. No, una say no. Now wow, seriously, my people, Nigeria dey upside down. Everybody don't sell their conscience for food and water. Only food and water, people don't sell conscience, finish. If na another country, no, make una tell me, by now, all those thugs, no be arrest, they supposed to arrest them. No be arrest, they supposed to arrest them, but our country, they different. Everything for Nigeria, they upside down. See, I beg, me, I no come here, can't stress myself, you understand? I just want sharp work, very sharp one, and very simple. Pay these people their money. You understand? Pay these people their money. Una not understand some kind of things, because all these politicians where they owe people salary, they do this one, them on their own, assuming they know they pay them, how they go fee? How una go fee if they no pay una salary? Even salary wey una dey collect. We dey talk of millions. Many of them, their own salary alone na millions. I'm not talking of the one where they thief on top of salary they apart. Then if we now bring the one where they thief, hey, that one, in fact, they fee pay. See, they don't want to pay them because they don't want to pay them. These people, they get money to pay. Now, if not be every time they cash out. Plus money when they thief. Today, they don't cash out. Tomorrow, they find this money. Next tomorrow, they find... Now, even they thief. All these teachers, money when they owe them. Now, they are rightful money. In fact, that money self, they deserve them even without working. Without working, they even deserve them. But they even they work still. No one. Now they very wicked. In fact, Nigerian politicians, una be the worst and wickedest politicians who I don't see for my life. Make una allow my English to flow like that. Very, very important. Very wickedest ones. Ha! I beg, make una help me, because these people need serious justice. They need serious justice. All the talks when they send, they supposed to arrest them. Make the day behind bars. Now why always they tell una all these things? Seriously, now why they tell una these things? If you not train your pikin well, now so you go dey cause problem for this society. All these thugs now where go fight these teachers, no be people children. No be people children. Instead of make una go school, go look for better work, where una go work. Una don't decide say not to decriminalize, una go decriminalize. Nonsense people. All of una self, una follow for the thunder wey go jam all of una. Make una just dey relax, dey wait. I beg my people, na the matter be this. Taraba now, e dey on serious fire. So I beg, justice must be made. Now why una need share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen now for Taraba. And if you never subscribe, very very important, just subscribe so that you no go dey miss all the things wey we get here. Drop your comments and I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.